Hi guys, so I've never done a long YouTube video before about luxury beauty loyalty programs because I've never found one like this, but I have to give Dior Beauty a shout out because their Dior Beauty Rewards program is on another level. I've only been with them 3 months. I've spent quite a lot of money with them in 3 months, but there's 4 different levels in the Dior Beauty loyalty program. So I wanted to share that with you, as well as how to kind of use the coupon codes to get more free goodies, because I'm all about the freebies. But oh my God, the Dior Beauty Platinum Status Christmas gift was worth almost $500. So that's why I'm saying it's worth creating an account and signing up for their loyalty program, because it's just amazing. So let me start right at the beginning. So first things first, you do need to create an account and be logged into Dior Beauty to be able to accumulate points, to track your sales, to be able to go up in the different loyalty tiers. There's pearl, silver, gold, and platinum, and they all come at different levels depending on how much you're spending and how many different purchases you make. And then not only are you getting freebies with Dior Beauty with your status, however you want to say it, you're also able to use coupon codes and be able to get even more free gifts. Now the coupon codes are always changing. They do sell out really quickly, so when I post them, maybe within 48 hours, I'm not in control of how quickly they sell out, how quickly they expire. So definitely you also have to be logged in to be able to use the coupon codes. So I post the most recent Dior Beauty coupon codes on my YouTube shorts and on my TikTok, so definitely look at the latest videos on there to make sure you're using the most recent codes. I know a lot of the time, like, okay, coupon code's expired, not able to use it. So make sure you're also following all of the necessary things. There's lots of kind of like fine print of, how much you have to spend to be able to use the code and all of that stuff. So anyway, back to the Dior Beauty loyalty program. So whenever you make a beauty, skincare, fragrance purchase on either Dior.com or in store, you can start accumulating points and exclusive benefits and rewards. So unfortunately, when you reach a level, it's not for a lifetime. It's a bit like airline miles or anything like that. You do need to meet the minimum spend annually to maintain your status. So the first level on Dior Beauty's loyalty program is super easy to achieve. It's the pearl level. You just need to create a Dior Beauty account and make a minimum of 2 purchases. It doesn't matter how much they are. And then you'll get a luxury miniature with your second purchase. I don't remember what mine was. I have a feeling it might have been the cute little Miss Dior miniature. The second tier in Dior's beauty loyalty program is silver. Again, super easy to achieve. It's 2 purchases with a minimum of $150 total combined, which is so easy. Let's be fair, their products aren't cheap, so that's really quick and easy to achieve. And once you reach silver level, you'll get an exclusive silver level gift and access to exclusive Dior events. The next level up in Dior Beauty loyalty program is gold status. That's either 3 purchases of $500 combined or 1 single purchase of $900. And with that, you get an exclusive gold welcome gift. And mine was the J'adore Dior cute little, almost looks like an advent calendar. Behind each of these 4 doors was one of these J'adore miniatures. And I did a whole review of the J'adore perfumes as well. So all 4 of these J'adore perfumes and eau de toilettes came in that little box. So that was a really good deal. Really cute welcome gift. And I was just so impressed with the presentation. That's one thing I have to say with Dior's presentation. Even their couture boxes for their Christmas holiday gifts, absolutely stunning. So everything's really giftable. I love the effort. I don't have to be wrapping things, tying bows. I can literally get it as it comes to me in the mail or send it straight to them. You can also write little gift notes when you order it. So really cool. But that was a really lovely welcome gold gift. Obviously they're always changing, but I just wanted to give you an example of what a welcome gold status Dior gift looks like. With the Dior Beauty loyalty program gold level, you do also get an exclusive birthday gift. I reached status after my birthday, so I'm still waiting on that to see what that is. With gold status, you also get a free 45-minute consultation once a year, so it's a really good time to ask any questions you have. For example, Dior Beauty has a lot of different serums. Maybe you're not sure which one's right for you, whether it's worth the extra splurge for the more expensive ones. You can ask them, they can see your skin, and you can kind of go through a really kind of personalized skincare routine for you. And then obviously the same as you did with the silver level, you get access to exclusive Dior events. I love getting email invites to things like their holiday makeup masterclasses, their skincare masterclasses, where you kind of really learn how to use the products more to get the most benefits out of them. Because obviously Dior is a luxury skincare, luxury makeup brand. So I'm spending this much money, I really want to get the most benefits out of them properly and not just be wasting them and just throwing them on my face. So Dior Beauty's loyalty program top tier is their platinum level, which I reached a couple of months ago. And you reach that when you make 4 purchases of $900 combined. I know $900 might sound like a lot to spend on beauty, makeup, skincare, fragrances, but honestly it adds up really quickly, especially when you start buying all your makeup products or your skincare, gifts. I buy a lot of gifts from Dior because, like I said, it comes really beautifully packaged and it just makes a really lovely luxury gift that doesn't have to break the bank. So I want to share with you the platinum welcome gift I got because I was blown away with this. I thought it was a really generous gift. I love it, and I travel a lot, as you know, because I have the travel blog as well. So this was the case I got. So it's a really, really lovely makeup vanity case. In one side, it had a few of their backstage brushes, which I have out in front of me, which all fit in the little slots there. And their brushes alone are worth a lot of money. So one I have been using, this really, really fine tipped one, is really lovely for doing a nose contour right in there, really, really narrow and fine. So the second one in there was the Dior backstage brush, but I have been using this brush. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so super soft underneath my eyes to remove any loose powder I've been using to bake with, and I really, really like the texture of that. And then this one is the big daddy of the Dior backstage brushes. Really, really lovely fan brush. You could use this for the bronzer, you could use this for your highlighter, you could use it as a loose powder brush. It's just a really, really lovely, versatile powder brush. I have been using it as my bronzer to go over my shoulders and décolletage. And then on the other side, oh, and it has, what I love is has their Dior star on there. That's their lucky star. I love any kind of lucky emblem to bring you good luck. And then on the other side is a really good size pouch that you could use to store all your makeup products. So I'm definitely going to use this traveling. One side to keep my brushes, second side to keep all of my makeup products. Then was the Dior Beauty holiday gift. Now, I was not expecting this. This is an incredible Christmas holiday gift, whatever you want to call it, that was totally free. Okay, I spent money to get it, to accumulate points to get rewards, and it's not going to be the same next year. And I'm going to review this because this serum normally comes in a 1 ounce or a 2 ounce bottle, and the 2 ounce bottle is $500. This is 1.7 ounces. So you're getting for free basically something that's worth almost $500 for spending $900, plus the gift set with the brushes, which was worth almost $400. So right there, you're kind of getting value. You're getting as much back as in gifts as you're spending, which is why I'm so impressed. If you follow my blog, if you follow my YouTube, you know I'm all about using the coupon codes, finding the best sales, finding the best freebies. So this serum, I don't know if the Dior Prestige Advanced Serum is worth $500. So I just started doing, so I only got this a couple of days ago, is I'm going to do a 30-day before and after. I'm using it every day, twice a day, using the Dior techniques for application, using it with La Creme afterwards. So I really want to see if it's worth it or not to rebuy in the future. But I think this is where they get you, right? Give it to you for free, get you absolutely hooked, make sure you absolutely love it, and then you're going to spend it. Because I did have to say, I noticed it does say after 4 hours you should see some of the effects from the reduction of antioxidant stresses. And I noticed, I'm going to put the before and after here, I noticed a huge difference in my cheekbones, in their contour. They were totally snatched, and I didn't do anything else. I always do my new face in the morning, but I did that before the serum application. Then I did the La Creme, I let it sit for 4 hours, and I took before and after pictures. Night and day difference from the first application. So I'm really excited to see the difference after 30 days. I was hoping there would be none. Honestly, I know that sounds really bad. It's like, I really don't want to like this because it's such an expensive product to get hooked on. But Dior Beauty loyalty program, you have outdone yourself. This was an incredible holiday gift. This makes me want to keep spending money with you. So with the Dior Beauty Gold status, you got the 145-minute consultation. With the Platinum status, you get 3 45-minute consultations. So I'm definitely going to make the most of those. I really kind of want to delve deeper into seeing, especially at my age now, I want to see which of their skincare routine is best for me. I was using Capture Total because I was using the Capture Total foundation and they kind of play really well together. That's what they recommend using. But as I'm getting older, I am wondering if I need to invest more in their skincare, to their more advanced anti-aging products. And because Botox doesn't work on me, as you can see, I can't do it because it does not work. So I really want to find good products. I don't mind spending the amount I would spend on Botox on a good skincare product. Plus, then I'm not injecting toxins into my face. So, winner, absolutely love this. Dior Beauty, if you're watching, please keep doing gifts like this because that is what keeps us loyal to you. And then obviously the last perk is access to exclusive Dior events. I haven't gone to any yet besides the online masterclasses, so I'll keep you posted on those. So what else can I tell you? Dior coupon codes, getting those free gifts with purchase. So most of the Dior coupon codes to get those free gifts do mean a minimum spend. Normally it's $150, $175, which is really doable, really easy. Literally, I mean, that's half of the serum, isn't it? A third of the serum. It's a perfume, it's a foundation and a primer. It's not a lot to get that free gift, to be able to use the code. They do also have some amazing gift codes for when you spend $500 or more. I don't know why I haven't spent $500 or more, because I think I get too eager. I see a new product coming out, like their new hyaluronic acid shot that is basically from Capture Total you use on your fine lines and wrinkles. I just ordered it, it's in this box, we're going to open it in a minute. Things like that, I just want to get them instantaneously and I don't need to spend $500, but I should probably be a bit slower on the buy button, wait till I can spend $500 and then use those codes, because some of the gifts include a vanity kit with a headband and a scrunchie. You're really getting so much for your money. I am not paid to say any of this. I'm saying it because I'm so thoroughly impressed with Dior Beauty, and I didn't want to get them for the longest time because they aren't cruelty free. I will say that I was trying to do cruelty free for the longest time. Most of my things are. My own company is cruelty free. But Dior Beauty, you have me hooked. I'm a sucker for all of your products. They are so good. They're so effective. The packaging's amazing. The freebies are amazing. Oh, one of the things that went really kind of viral on TikTok was this Dior Beauty box when I posted the code for that, free with purchase. So just really amazing gifts. This was another free gift with purchase. It was the J'adore body lotion, J'adore perfume. I've had the Dior compact mirror, and this was only a minimum spend of $100. So that's super cute. So just so many good freebies. So I'm going to share with you a couple of codes in the description below. Bearing in mind they do change often, so don't be surprised if they've expired. Like I said, go to my YouTube shorts, go to my TikTok. I will post the latest codes there. But let's unbox this so I can show you what the latest kind of free gift with purchase was and what I got using the Dior code. So this was today's Dior Beauty delivery. It comes really well packaged, I have to say. They do package them really well, so it kind of avoids breakage, any issues like that. I just get excited when they come because they do such a gorgeous job of packaging them. Right there, I literally exploded on my face with all the Dior kind of, Dior ribbon, paper. Inside, obviously, you have your Dior packing slip in case you need to do any returns. I mean, look, this is just absolutely gorgeous, and it's free. So when you check out, you have the option to do regular eco packaging or Dior couture packaging for no extra cost. Obviously, I always do the couture packaging because a lot of things are gifts as well, so I want to be able to give them. And then also in here, this other Dior box. I don't know which is in what box, so I'm going to unbox them with you together. I was not expecting to do a Dior Beauty unboxing today. I was just going to talk about their loyalty program and the coupon codes, but this literally got delivered on my doorstep as I was doing this, because they just did their last minute free express shipping to get your gifts in time for the holiday. So I obviously took advantage of that because I had a couple of last minute gifts that I wanted to get. So oh gosh, I don't even want to open it because it's so beautiful. Yes, I do. Okay. I always like to have a couple of last minute gifts on standby. You know what it's like. Just in case you've forgotten something, you have a last minute invite and you need to get something. So with a minimum of $175 spend, no code was needed. They often do things like this. So read across the top. The banner at the top of Dior always kind of tells you what the specials are, whether it's free engraving on gifts over $100, or whether it's something like this where it's 2 free miniatures when you spend $175. And this was brilliant. It was 2 free. One is Sauvage and one is Rouge Dior. So men and women's as a gift for everyone. And I always think this is a really good stocking stuffer. I don't know if you do it in America, but in England, my parents and I have a tradition where on Boxing Day, we have the Christmas tree angel leaves its presents. Something like this would be perfect because you could hang that from the tree as an ornament, put a little gift tag on there, like I said, his and hers. And then the other one in there is the Dior Rouge lipstick. So I'm going to probably give this to someone else as a little gift, but I'm going to hang this on the tree for Lewis for Boxing Day as his gift. So just super cute gifts. Again, totally free with purchase. The other thing I got in there because I used a code was 2 Dior Capture Total serums. Now, one was because I used a code, the other one came in automatically with $175 spent. So again, I got 2 for free. And the code I used gave you this blooming bouquet set, which I've ordered before because I think this would actually make a really cute addition to a gift. If you're gifting someone something, you want to bulk it up a little bit, this is a really, really cute gift, especially if they travel a lot. It has the Miss Dior miniature and the Miss Dior body lotion. I actually use mine both today as well. So just really, really, really cute gifts. And then the other freebies was the code. Like I said, I got so many freebies. So being really smart when you're shopping on Dior Beauty, wait to spend the amount you need to spend to get a free gift rather than just shopping sporadically. Also play around with the different codes in your cart, see which gives you the best gifts, which ones you want, which ones you already have, what you don't want. This also came with your Forever Skin Glow, and you can see them, you can play around with the samples, see which one works for you, rather than ordering the wrong colour. Honestly, returns aren't the easiest on Dior Beauty. They say they do returns, they do, but they're not the easiest. So you can kind of play around with this and make sure that you have the right one for you. Then cute little Dior pouch. I use these pouches a lot for everything. If I'm going to a photo shoot or I'm traveling, I tend to keep each kind of set of jewellery in a different pouch to make them really, really easy to find. And then in here, we have more. We have more of the Capture Total. We have the Capture Total cream, and I have another Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet, and I have a sample of the Dior Prestige, the creme. And the pen. Okay, and I've just discovered there are more freebies in here as well that I totally forgot about. So there is also the Dior Rouge Dior lipstick sampler. There are 5 different lipstick samples in there. And then there is also a Dior pouch, and it's kind of 100% recycled materials in their iconic design right there. So for $175, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 free gifts. Name one other beauty program that gives you 11 free gifts with purchase. I love it. I'm all about the freebies. It makes me feel a lot better about spending a lot of money. A lot of good things for traveling, and a lot of good things for adding, like boosting up little gifts. And then I also obviously got gifts to give that are already wrapped, good to go. I love their couture boxing. Effortless shopping. So if you have any questions about the Dior Beauty loyalty program, drop them in the comments below. And if you want the latest Dior Beauty codes for all the freebies and goodies, follow me on YouTube and watch my shorts. Follow me on TikTok, watch the videos there. I'm always sharing the latest. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe.